Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is your iPhone App Store stuck on loading or not downloading apps at all? If the App Store keeps spinning, shows a blank screen, or apps won't install, don't worry. In this guide, we will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is working properly. To check this, open Safari and try loading a website. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons why the App Store gets stuck. Force closing and reopening the App Store can help. Sometimes the App Store just glitches. Swipe up from the bottom to kill the App Store and to reopen it. Find the App Store, swipe it away to close it and reopen it. A simple iPhone restart can fix many temporary bugs. Press and hold the power plus volume up or volume down buttons. Slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on. Another thing you should do is check Apple system status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Instead, Apple's App Store service is down worldwide. You can check this by opening Apple system status page in Safari and make sure App Store is green. A link to this page is given in the description. If it's down, you will have to wait until Apple fixes it. Connecting to a different Wi-Fi network can help fix App Store connectivity issues, because sometimes your Wi-Fi is the issue that is causing the App Store to not work properly. Simply connect to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data instead. After connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, open the App Store and check again. Signing out and logging back into your Apple account can fix App Store not working or App Store being stuck issue. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on your name from the top, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. After signing out, sign back into your account. Checking the date and time and making sure that these are correct on your iPhone can help. Incorrect date and time can break App Store connections. To check this, go to Settings, tap on General. Here, tap on Date and Time. And make sure to turn on Set Automatically toggle. If nothing else has worked so far, resetting network settings can help. You can do this by going to Settings, tapping on General, scrolling down and tapping on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. Outdated software can cause the App Store to not work properly. You can update by going to Settings, tapping on General. Here, tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If your iPhone storage is full, apps won't download. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Free up space if needed. So, these are the best ways to fix App Store stuck on loading issue on your iPhone. In most cases, switching to a different Wi-Fi network or signing out from your Apple ID and logging back in solves this problem instantly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out more iPhone troubleshooting guides on our channel. Thanks for watching.